Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I want to give you the gotv Nigeria customer care representative's number. So if you are to activate a new gotv decoder, or you are facing some difficulties on your gotv decoder and you are to contact them for help, or you are to make some enquiries about the gotv product and services, with the enquiries, whenever you are to call them, they not ask you for the IUC number of your decoder, but anything related to your gotv decoder, they're gonna ask you for the IUC number or the smart card number of your decoder. So you have to note this down somewhere before you call them for help. And with the smart card number or the IUC number of your gotv decoder, they normally place some stickers at the back of your decoder that have the IUC number. So you check it over there. If it had faded off or there is no sticker over there, you pick up your gotv remote and you press on the green button, which is the gotv logo on it. It's going to take you to the gotv menu, and from the menu here, use the arrow top and down keys, look for information central, and then you put it on it, you press OK on it. And here we have, on the first of the list, we have the IUC number of your gotv decoder. So you dot it down somewhere, or you place it on it like this, and then you call them for help. They will definitely request for the IUC number if it's anything related to your gotv decoder. So the number will be highlighted on your screen. You pick it and then you call them for help. They will deduct at a normal calling rate, so make sure that you have enough airtime before you proceed to call them. And if you have the gotv number, the gotv number is the same as the DSTV number. DSTV and gotv are part of multi-choice. So if you have the DSTV, you don't need to worry about having the gotv number. It's the same number that you need to call for them to help you out on anything that you are facing on your decoder. And they don't normally work on Sunday, so you are likely not to get them to help you out on Sunday. So make sure that you call them on working hours. That's it. If this video has been helpful, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.